What's the meaning of cerise? Cerise. Cerise.
Cerise. Cerise. Cerise is a French word that refers to a bright red color, similar to that of a cherry. The color is often associated with happiness, energy, and passion. In fashion and design, cerise is used to add a pop of boldness to an outfit or interior space. When used in branding, cerise can represent excitement and vibrancy. In nature, cerise can be found in various flowers such as hibiscus and roses. Overall, cerise is a vivid and eye-catching color that adds a touch of boldness to any visual representation.